What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back for another one. Today we got a Cinebot30 from GepRC. We actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace. Met a really cool guy down outside of Scranton, PA. Really nice guy. His name was Jesse. Super helpful. Really appreciate all of his help setting this thing up. I don't have any experience flying these guys. This is my first Cinewhoop. It's a 3-inch and it's a 6S model. So we're gonna get it powered up here, get it up in the air. A little bit windy, so we'll see how it does. So let's see what we can do here. Just get my sea legs here with the Cinewhoop because I don't know what I'm doing with this thing.